Alright guys, welcome back to the show. Today I'm going to show you this chicken coop. It is roughly 4 by 10. It's on a trailer that I've had for years and years and years. My wife showed up this spring with some chickens and I had to build a chicken coop, so I decided to put it on this trailer so that I could move it around because I wasn't quite sure where I was going to put them, so I made a movable chicken coop. Let's check it out, jump into the video, and then we'll do a full walkthrough and I'll show you the inside. Alright guys, I'm working on my post frame chicken coop on wheels, and I'll just show you what I got going on here so far, just so you guys, if anybody wants to kind of recreate this, you can. This trailer, it's a trailer I've had sitting around for probably 25 years. I got it free, somebody was going to junk it, bought new rims, tires for it. I moved my saw from the shed to the house at one of my houses, and I decided to make a moving chicken coop. So here it is. Just made some laminated columns out of 2x4s. I got actually I got 6 of those, one at each corner, and then a set in the middle. And then we used 2x4 girts, and all of this wood is reclaimed from that building that I took down, I think it was 2 years ago or a year ago, I can't even remember. So all this wood is reclaimed. I have had these 24x24 windows I bought on clearance. I use them for hunting blinds. I thought I'd throw a couple of those in there, so that's why I see those framed in. And then at the end here, got an entrance door. So that's so I have access to get in here. We went in and got the cheapest linoleum we could find, which happened to be this cool wood looking linoleum. So we glued that down, then set this on top of it. That just is going to make it a lot easier when it's time to clean. So that's why we did that. So I think what I'm going to do is probably seal around the hole inside, so when I come in here I can just sweep it all out when I need to. 2 windows, like I said, on this side. We'll have 16 nesting boxes. I'll have a roost along this side. And then probably the water and feed will be down there, and you will be able to access that from the outside. So also have an automatic door to go in this door, so every morning door will come open, every night it'll go closed. I am going to put plywood on this whole thing, and then I have a bunch of metal left over from my house, and I think I'm going to use white. I have some other stuff too, some scrap that I've collected over the years, but it's all stuff that I've had laying around that I'm making this out of, so except for the plywood. I know plywood's expensive, but I want this thing to last basically forever, so I'm going to put plywood on it, wrap it, and then we'll metal it. Guys, she is, all I have is that back side to finish. This thing turned out really nice. Just need to wash it. So you guys can see this is all done. This is all steel that I've used on different projects around the house. So I just tried to use up a bunch of material, but the roof is the same color as the house and the white siding. You got two 24 by 24 windows in there. Got a super annoying rooster. Constantly messing up my videos. That's him right there. That's the culprit. Right there. But anyway, we're getting about 12 eggs, 12 to 13 eggs a day, which is cool. But my plan with this is to paint it. Got an automatic door. You can set this by time or by sunlight. I have it set by sunlight, so the chickens automatically go back in there. So my chicken run, I just bumped it out. You can back the chicken coop up to it so it seals it off. Made some nesting boxes out of some leftover plywood. Got 1 roost and 2 roosts, plus sometimes they fly up here on these trusses and roost up here. Soffits are blocked off so they can't get in there because they were liking to get up here and do you know what in the soffits. But this has turned out pretty nice. 1/2 inch plywood on the sides. Should keep it a little bit warmer. So you can see I got jacks. One on there. One on there. That's so I can level it and raised up. It's got a ball on it so I can put it on my 4-wheeler. My 4-wheeler is a 400cc, so nothing crazy. And it pulls this around just fine. So I can move this kind of around the yard or to another spot if I want to, or if I want to just take it over, clean it, power wash it, that kind of stuff, I can do that. See, it's just got these. When I got this trailer, I did put new rims and tires on it. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful to somebody that wants to build a chicken coop. If you got an old junk trailer or something like that, it's a really fun project. Turned out awesome. But anyway, we're going to be bringing you a few different videos from the Mad County build, just things we finished up. And then we are setting a premiere for Thanksgiving Day, which is kind of the day that our YouTube channel took off. And we're going to be doing a full walkthrough of our house. You can see all the finishes, how it looks. I can tell you it turned out awesome. There are a few things that we're still going to be doing as time and money allows, but for the most part it's all done and we're excited about that. This is a 4,000 square foot post frame home with a 56 by 40, 2,500 square foot garage. So stay tuned for that. I know a lot of you have been waiting for that. And after that, we're going to release a video on the cost breakdown of this home with a full time lapse, kind of like we've been doing. That way you guys can figure out how much it costs to build something like this, all pretty much by yourself. But until then, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next video.